Okay, interleukin 1 will cause the inflammation and the fever. If the patient is having fever, if it is asked in MCQ or the scenario is given what the interleukin will be released, the IL-1 interleukin will be released. IL-2 is responsible for the proliferation, IL-3 is responsible for the growth of stem cells, IL-4 is responsible for the growth and also the differentiation of T cells to Th2 cells. Okay, thymic cells are the T cell or also called the thymic cell. They are differentiated into Th1 cells and Th2 cells. Okay, so the TL5 is also responsible for growth. TL6 is due to the fever and the acute phase protein. If you are asked that if the patient has come with inflammatory process or acute process, which IL-6 interleukin will be raised, so interleukin 6 will be raised. That will indicate the acute phase proteins that will be raised. Okay, IL-8 is chemotactic for the neutrophil and IL-12 is for the differentiation of Th1. Okay, so it has 1 in it, so you will remember that Th1, and IL-4 is responsible for 2, so 2 even number, Th2, so 4 is also even number, so you will remember how it is. IL-4 will make the Th2. Okay, the 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, these are 4 are responsible for the growth. The interferon gamma is responsible responsible for Th2 cells, and the major inhibitory interleukin is IL-10. So it is very clear that there are a lot of interleukin that is causes the inflammation, and there is only one which is causing the inhibition. So that's why in any inflammation it takes a long time to be get inhibited. IL-1, IL-6 and TNF is all tissue necrosis factor. These are all raised in inflammation. If you are given with the scenario that patient is having malignancy or is having TB, then the tissue necrosis factor will be raised in malignancy in TB. Okay, interferon and IL-10, I already told you that they are inhibitory. So so now we talk about the immunities. What are the types of immunities? There are two types of immunities: innate immunity, humoral immunity. Innate is by the NK cell, the natural cells, natural killer cells, and the humoral is by T cells or B cells. In humoral there are also two types: the active immunity and the passive immunity. In the active immunity, the vaccine is given, the dead or antigens or dead toxides are given, so the body will makes the immunoglobulins or antibodies against it. Okay, the passive is like we will give the immunoglobulins directly to the person. They are short term. They are active vaccine which is given to the by which active immunity which is given by vaccine. It is a long term immunity, and innate immunity is also short term immunity. That first innate will come, and then the humoral will come and take over the body to protect it from the pathogens. So the what are the immunoglobulins? Immunoglobulins are 4 types of immunoglobulins: IgA, IgM, IgG, Ig, and IgD. Okay, IgD is present on B cell surface. I already told you. The IgA is present in saliva secretions like breast milk secretions. They are also present in mucus. Okay, IgM, it is large in size. IgG is also present in your serum, but they are present in serum in large amount. IgM are larger in size, but they are present in smaller amount. IgG are present in larger amount in your serum, but their size is not as such large. Okay, so what are their responsibilities and what are their functions? The IgA, it is very important, but it gets increased in parasitic infections. Okay, and also if there is a child present with like age of 4 years or below 4 years, then the main important is that he is lacking the IgA immunoglobulins. IgM, or we already know that IgM are present when there is acute infection. There is short interval, they take over the bacteria, and then the long term immunoglobulins come, which are IgG. They are present whenever the scenario is given that what is the IgG, baby comes with, newborn baby comes with the repeated recurrent infections, then IgG will be low in that newborn. Okay, if the newborn came with recurrent infection, then IgG is deficient. If the child is come with the repeated infections like below 4 years age, then IgA deficiency. All right.